How to link FaceApp to Google Photos. First of all, open FaceApp on your device and start editing your photo. After editing your photo using any filter or tool in FaceApp, tap the save icon at the top right corner. The edited photo will be saved to your device gallery, which is automatically synced to Google Photos if backup is enabled. To ensure your FaceApp photos are backed up to Google Photos, open the Google Photos app, go to Collections, then select the FaceApp folder. Once inside, select the photos you want to backup. Then tap the three dot menu and choose Backup Now to manually upload those photos. This ensures you won't lose your edits and you can access them from any device connected to your Google account. Now you know how to link FaceApp to Google Photos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.